Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a beautiful Celine to show you today. So this is a Celine python skin clutch and this material is beautiful. It feels really silky and soft and these leather features as well are just as soft and smooth. It is a really beautiful little clutch bag. You can see we've got the Celine logo on the front here. We've got a zip around closure so it goes just around the edge, which is really useful actually. It means it just opens up that little bit wider and is a little bit easier to use. And then you can see again we've got a really nice smooth leather lining on the interior. The condition of it is beautiful. We've called the exterior very good. It just has a little bit of creasing on the leather on these corners, but there's no marks for me to show you. You can tell that it hasn't really been used. It is in a gorgeous condition. I'm guessing those little bits of creasing are just from storage because the rest of it is perfect. The hardware we've called excellent. You can see it still has that plastic seal on the zip and the rest of that zip still looks really nice as well. And it's a lovely gold tone which goes really nicely with this colour of python skin. And then the interior again we've called excellent. This interior is so soft and all that leather is perfect in there. So that is why we've called the interior excellent condition. It comes with the Celine product tag, and then we also have a Celine dust bag and a Celine box as well. And it's always nice when it comes with a box, especially if you're looking to buy a gift for someone. The condition, sorry, I've just told you the condition. If you'd like to see it on our website, go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. It'll give you a few more details on there as well as the exact dimensions and things like that. If it doesn't take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you've been looking out for one of these or you've just seen it on our YouTube and you've fallen in love with it, let us know, we'll get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So as a request list, exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". And with this clutch, it's a nice size, nice and slim, nice and lightweight. So you can use it as a clutch, put it on your arm and use it like that, or you could even slip it inside your main bag as well because it is nice and slim. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website. While you're on there, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter and we will send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase with us. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.